When it comes to making your home feel truly unique and tailored to your personal style, custom door replacement is an excellent option. Whether you're upgrading your front entryway, patio doors, or even interior doors, custom doors allow you to express your individuality and ensure that your home's entrances are both beautiful and functional. For Pasadena homeowners, custom door replacement offers a range of benefits, from enhanced curb appeal to improved energy efficiency and security. If you're considering a door replacement, here's why choosing a custom solution might be the best choice for your home. Enhanced curb appeal. The front door is the first thing visitors see when they approach your home. It serves as an important design feature that sets the tone for the rest of your property. Custom doors allow you to select the perfect design that complements the architectural style of your home and reflects your personal taste. Whether you prefer a sleek modern style, a rustic wooden door, or a classic traditional look, a custom door ensures that your entrance is a statement piece. In Pasadena, where homes can range from historic to contemporary, custom doors can seamlessly match your home's exterior, enhancing its visual appeal. You have the flexibility to choose materials, colors, hardware, and finishes that complement your home's unique style, ensuring your front door becomes an integral part of the curb appeal. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners, especially in Pasadena, where the climate can vary, with hot summers and mild winters. Your front door plays a significant role in maintaining your home's energy efficiency. Older or poorly insulated doors can lead to drafts, allowing heat or cool air to escape, which forces your heating and cooling system to work harder. Custom doors can be designed with energy-efficient features such as double or triple glazing, weather stripping, and insulated cores. These features help to prevent air leaks, reduce heat transfer, and keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Custom doors not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also contribute to long-term savings on energy bills. When selecting a custom door, be sure to prioritize energy efficiency to ensure that your investment pays off in the form of reduced utility costs. Improved security. Your home's entry doors are one of the primary barriers between your family and the outside world. With a custom door, you can enhance the security of your home, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. Custom doors can be crafted from high-strength materials like steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, which provide additional security compared to standard doors. Additionally, custom doors can include advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass. Whether you're concerned about break-ins or want extra protection during stormy weather, a custom door can be built to your security specifications, offering peace of mind and protecting your family and belongings. Tailored fit for your home. One of the main advantages of choosing custom door replacement is the ability to get a door that is perfectly suited to your home's needs. Standard-sized doors often don't offer the ideal fit, which can result in gaps that lead to drafts, water leaks, and poor insulation. Custom doors are made to fit the exact dimensions of your door frame, ensuring a perfect, secure seal. Whether you have an unusually sized entryway, a historical home with specific architectural requirements, or a particular design vision in mind, custom doors allow you to address these needs. A tailored fit means that your door will operate smoothly, look great, and provide optimal performance in terms of insulation, security, and longevity. Variety of material and design options. Custom doors provide endless options when it comes to material and design. You can choose from a variety of materials such as wood, fiberglass, steel, or even glass, depending on your aesthetic preferences, security needs, and maintenance requirements. Each material has its own set of benefits. Wooden doors offer a classic, natural look and can be customized with intricate carvings or designs. Fiberglass doors are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance, with the ability to mimic the appearance of wood. Steel doors provide exceptional strength and security, making them ideal for homeowners prioritizing safety. Glass doors allow natural light to flood into your home, providing a bright and open feel while still offering privacy options with frosted or textured glass. You can also choose various finishes, colors, and hardware to complete the look. Whether you want a door with decorative glass, bold colors, or simple, clean lines, the possibilities with custom door replacement are endless. Increased home value. Investing in custom door replacement can significantly increase the value of your home. Potential buyers often view high-quality, custom features as a sign that a home has been well maintained and thoughtfully designed. A beautiful, energy-efficient, and secure front door can make a strong impression on prospective buyers, which can help your home stand out in a competitive market. If you plan on selling your home in the future, a custom door can enhance your home's curb appeal, provide greater functionality, and offer a solid return on investment. Even if you're not planning to move anytime soon, enjoying the increased comfort, style, and security of a custom door is a worthy investment for years to come. Low maintenance and durability. Many custom doors are built to last, requiring less maintenance than traditional doors. For example, fiberglass and steel doors are low maintenance, as they resist weathering, warping, and damage. Unlike wooden doors that may need regular sanding and repainting, custom fiberglass or steel doors can hold up to the elements while maintaining their appearance. Wooden doors, while needing more attention, can be treated to withstand the climate in Pasadena. With proper care, they can last for decades, adding a timeless touch to your home's entry. Conclusion. Custom door replacement is an excellent way for Pasadena homeowners to enhance the beauty, security, and functionality of their homes. With endless options for design, materials, and features, a custom door can be tailored to your specific needs and preferences, offering superior performance and aesthetic appeal. Whether you want to improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or enhance security, a custom door provides long-lasting value and a welcoming entrance to your home. Consider working with a professional door installation company to bring your vision to life and ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance.